Good morning, dear students. This is the first practical class. So today we will learn that how to do emasculation and pollination, and the crop which I have chosen is black gram. So before starting emasculation and pollination, I want to show that what the things required for emasculation and pollination. See, this is paper bag which I have made for you. Okay, paper bag means is envelope. You have to put this envelope after emasculation. This is the envelope. This is forceps. You need I don't have this pointed forceps, but you need pointed forceps. Okay, 0.5. So forceps, scissor, small scissor, and then needle. The last is tag, which you need after pollination. You have to tag the plant in which you have did emasculation and pollination, so that you can identify the plant. So these are the things which you need for emasculation and pollination technique in any crop. Okay, now let's start. So we will learn today how to do emasculation in black gram. Black gram is a self-pollinated crop. You all know that it's a self-pollinated crop. Self-pollinated. Why it is self-pollinated? Because it has both male and female inflorescences in the male and female part of the flower. It is in the same plant, in the same flower. So that's why it is bisexual. And it goes for self-pollination. Okay. So for emasculation, we have to remove. In emasculation, we have to remove the male part or anther from the flower. If there is no male part, then it's no pollination will take place. So we have to remove the male part. So removal of anther from the stigma is called emasculation. Okay, so we have to remove the anthers. Before that, first we have to choose the bud in which we can do emasculation. Okay, so here you can see 2-3 plants I have collected for you. See, 2-3 plants are there which I have collected. So you have to choose the bud. See, you can see that here some flowers are open. It is open, means pollination has been done. In earlier class, I have also told you about that which type of flower is black gram. It's chasmogamous, means flowers opens after pollination. So if flowers is opens, means pollination has been done. Okay, so it's here pollination is over. So and we have to do the unopened bud, which is, and before choosing the bud, be clear that it should not be very small or very immature. It should be mature, so that pollination should occur. See, you can see this is a bud. Okay, this is a bud. See, this is some mature bud. Don't choose very green bud. If it is green color, means it is immature. So we have to choose some greenish yellow, not pure means total yellow or not totally green. It should be little bit green and little bit yellow, means we can do in that bird emasculation. See, this is very small. You can see this bird, it's very small. This one is pollinated, but this one is very small. So we have to know, we don't have to choose these type of birds. We have to choose green, not neither totally green nor totally yellow, means greenish yellow we can say. So see, I have taken this flower. I have opened this flower also. After opening, you can see this, that in this, see, small anthers are there. Okay, and it is in diadelphous condition. Diadelphous condition, what is diadelphous condition? Means the anthers are arranged in 9+1. Means 9 are united together and 1 is alone. Actually it is very thin, so I don't understand that you are able to see the alone one or not. 1 is separate and 9 is together. See, this one is, these 9s are together and 1 is separate. If you have near your home, if you have any plant of black gram or green gram, so you can see that the stamens are arranged in 9+1, means diadelphous condition, and there so stamens are 10 in number. Okay, we have to remove these. We have to remove these anthers. While doing emasculation, be careful that female part should not damage. We have to remove this anther. We have removed. So now after remove, if now emasculation has been done, so just imagine that we have done emasculation in this flower. After then bagging, then we will, this is a very big bag because the small flower is very small, so we will just make half of it. Okay, this much bag. We will bag the plant with this. Okay, we will bag the plant with this. Then like this we will clip the, with paper clip, we'll clip it. Okay, so emasculation, we do emasculation in the evening. Emasculation, we have to do emasculation in the evening. After that, in morning, we will open this envelope, keep aside. Then we have to pollinate this flower. For pollination, pollinate this bud. For pollination, we will choose again that type of bud only, but from the plant from which we want to transfer the pollen, or from which we want to transfer the desired character. So of that plant we will collect the, again we will choose that type of bud only in which pollination has not been done, and it's little bit yellow. So we will open the, after opening, just imagine that I have chosen this flower. See, I have choose this, but see, it's not open, it's little bit yellow. You can see it's little bit yellow, not totally green, and not it's opened also, means pollination has not done. We will plug this in the morning, and we will do pollination in the morning, approx 7 to 8 a.m. Gently, means slowly we will open the bud with the help of needle, and in morning what will happen? We have to open and we will rub this flower. We will not disturb the anther of this bird which we have plugged in morning for pollination, and we will rub this flower in the emasculated bud. So all anther we will rub like this, or pollen grains will fall in the emasculated bud. After that, after emasculation, again we will go for the same process. We will bag this in the same way. Okay. Then we need this tag, and we have to tie this tag in this plant. Just tie one thread here and tie this tag with this plant. So after 10 to 15 days, you can see that seed is forming. Okay. So before tagging, we did bagging, emasculation, pollination both over. Now before tagging, you have to write some information. What are the information? You just write first the date of emasculation. Okay, just use pencil. Date of emasculation. Okay, if we did today, then we will write 24th August. Okay, then date of pollination. On which date we pollinated. So if we did emasculation today, then we will pollinate tomorrow only. So we will write here 25th August. Then what is the name of male parent and what is the name of female parent? What male parent you used, you have to write here the variety or genotype name. Okay. Then what is the female parent? You have to write here that what is the name of female parent. Okay. These information you have to write. And in which plant, you can write here plant number also. Here you can just give plant P1 or P2, whatever you want. Okay, so that this is plant 1. These are the basic information which you have to write, so that after 15 days then you want to see that in which plant my seed has set or not. So you can see that okay, this is plant 1. I have did pollination on this date, 25th August. So after 15 days or approx 15 days, after 10 days you can see that seed is forming or not. 25th, so after 15 days means approx 10th of September, you can see that seed formed or not. Okay. Then like this, in whichever plant you will do, you have to write all this information, and these are the technique that how you have to do emasculation and pollination. Pollination you have to do in the morning and emasculation in the evening. Okay. Okay, thank you student. These are next video I will show you another plant emasculation and pollination, and also I will upload some PPT, and I will upload some video also in which I will told you about what is emasculation and pollination, in which means every plant, every crop details I will tell you in another video also. Okay, thank you student, and please try, if you have means any field near your home, so you just go plug 2-3 plants from there, green gram or black gram from there, and do try just try emasculation in that plant. And if you are facing any problem, you can ask me anytime that how we have to do, or we just see that you all are able to see the Diadelphous condition of black gram or not. Okay, you found that 9 plus 1 the arrangement of anther or not, stamens or not. Okay, so and if possible just try that how to emasculate. You can buy this needle from anywhere, it's easily available. For green gram you don't, it's not need this no need of forceps or scissor, so you can use with, you can do with the help of needle only. Just if possible take one needle and try emasculation at your home only. Okay, okay, thank you very much, thank you.